Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Miss Kelps.
Cooking with Miss Kelps. Yeah.
So we've made some lunch foods, we've made a dessert. What other meals are there in the day? Yeah, dinner, breakfast. So I'm going to show you our ingredients and see if you can guess which meal we're going to make something for. We need an English muffin. If you don't have any English muffins, you could use a tortilla, you could use bread, a bagel, just something to put ingredients on. An egg, a slice of cheese, and some milk. All right. Any guesses? It's a breakfast food. Yeah, we're gonna make a breakfast sandwich, kind of like at McDonald's. All right, our tools that we're going to need. We're going to need a bowl. We're going to need a tablespoon, a fork, a plate. What's this? A toaster. And as always, a good old microwave. For our first step, we're going to need our toaster. All right, I'm gonna take your English muffin, put it in half, put it in. Toasters usually have a dial so you can see how brown you want it, how much you want to toast it. All right, you're gonna put it in, pop it down, and let it cook. We'll let that cook over there. For our next step, we have a very special guest, Mrs. Kelps, or as I like to call her, Mom. She's gonna be showing us how to crack an egg. Thanks for coming, Mrs. Kelps.
Hi, Miss Kelps. Thanks for having me on your cooking show. I'm excited to show boys and girls how to crack an egg today. The first thing you do is get a bowl. A glass bowl works better than a plastic bowl because it's a little bit harder to crack the shell of the egg. You are just going to take the egg, lightly tap a few times until you hear that it started to crack. And I give it one more good crack right there. You can see that it's broken open. I put my fingers on both sides, face the crack down, and pull it apart. Drop your egg right into the bowl. And that, my friends, is how to crack an egg.
Thanks for that great demonstration, Mrs. Kelps. All right, the next step with our cracked egg is we're going to add a tablespoon of milk in. Okay, and same as last week, if you remember, where do we usually pour our liquid ingredients? Over a bowl, so that way if we spill, we don't have to clean up. So I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon. Dump it on in. All right, close up your milk. The next step is my favorite step of any time I make scrambled eggs. This is when your fork comes in. You're gonna whisk or beat. When we do it with a fork, it's called beating. Beat your eggs, so mix them together. You put your fork in and you just kind of move it around in a circle till it looks nice and fluffy. Okay, so look at how different they look. All right, our next step, see this one's fast. We're already on to our microwave. So open that up, put your eggs in, and we're gonna cook for 45 seconds. Who remembers when we have a weird number like that, which step we need to do first on the microwave? We need to push the button that says time cook. Yeah, so time cook and then 4, 5, and we can press start. And then we wait again. I hear our timer. So go ahead and open it up. You should have some nice cooked eggs. Right, and our English muffin is all ready to go. So I usually take my eggs, the bowl's hot, so be careful, And I just kind of am going to dump them right on to my English muffin. All right, so as you can see, they're right on there. You're going to open up your cheese. Set it on. Close it up. And you have an awesome breakfast sandwich, just like eating at McDonald's. All right, I hope you guys had so much fun during this episode of Cooking with Miss Kelps, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Cheers.